easily recognizable constellation of Orion the Hunter. Orion is of course easily located by finding those 3 stars that form his belt. These stars are Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka. We also see the bright red star Betelgeuse located up there in his shoulder, and the hot blue star Rigel, together with many other clusters of galaxies, make up a long filament, a supercluster of galaxies known as Laniakea, which is Hawaiian for immense heavens. But our data is still incomplete. Next, we'll see the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, a 20-year survey that ended in one of the most complete maps of the universe that humans have ever made. We have over
animal might eat these things. My friend, do you think a giraffe wants to eat a steak? Yes? Are you sure?
No.
Oh, you think you want to feed the tiger the steak? Yeah, go ahead and put the steak in the tiger basket. You could actually, you might not be quite tall enough. You want to help me out a little bit more? Now, my friend, who do you think might want to eat that apple? Yeah, who do you think wants to eat the apple? Do you think a tiger is going to eat an apple?
No.
No. Do you think an elephant might eat an apple?
Giraffe? Yeah.
Yeah, or a giraffe. Yeah. Perfect. If you just want to put it in the basket, that'll be fine. All right, now I'm going to give you this delicious chicken. I'm going to give you this delicious head of lettuce, and we'll see if we can feed some other animals. You know what? Are you sure you want to put the chicken in with the beer? Why don't you try feeding it to our bear?
There you go. No.
These poor animals need some food.
Put him in the middle.
Yeah, you want to put it right here? Perfect. Would you like to put this chicken in the middle too? Yeah. And so, we have fed our animals. We have some plant food for